Today is a very exciting day. We get to start painting. We should have done it before we did the flooring in the bedroom, but we didn't, so I get to start painting today, starting in the bedroom.
What is that, Gray?
I know, it's very gray, isn't it?
But dust off. I didn't wipe it up. But it was blue.
I did too. Not a fan of this color so far.
Now you're gonna do it.
I know I should move all this stuff, but I'm so tired of moving stuff. Sometimes it's just easier to work around it. I guess I have to move stuff after all. I need coffee break. Oh. Figures. Through all that to not get paint on that thing. Don't tell Jeff. Today we're working on plumbing. Let's go check it out.
Did some plumbing. Plumbing.
It's pretty easy to work with. Keeping all the plumbing on the inside of the house, and we're just going to build a box around it to hide it all.
Oh, this is tough working in a corner.
You're crammed in there pretty tight, are you?
So, if we want to go straight down, and then how far above the floor do we want to go?
Well, as close as you can, but it doesn't have to be right on the floor.
See, I could put a 90 in here, and then keep it nice and straight across the floor.
Yeah, I don't know.
Or I can just do the pecs.
That's fine too.
That.
That's fine too.
Yeah.
Yeah. The less joints, the better. So I say do that. Do that.
Just don't know. Have to, we'll have to start over there if we're doing that. Gonna drill a hole through the wall and
instructions?
I don't know.
There's a picture. Oh, found instructions. Francais. A is the PRV, B is a PRV discharge outlet, C is a hot ball valve drain, D is a cold ball valve drain, E is a relocation fitting.
There's no plugs for any of them.
Want to drill another hole in the floor?
Probably gonna come up through a gas. Oh.
Is that done?
It's done.
Hot
Yeah.
water, done.
Yeah, whatever.
That was easy.
Sure. The well pump and all that shit over here. And then we'll have the cold just come off and one T going into here. Like we go 1/2 inch to this huge stuff.
Yeah, how do you do that?
And then this will just tee into the hot water. And I think it'll come straight off the pump, dedicate water to this straight out the pump. Or we'll just go here and then tee out to here. Feed that. No, I probably shouldn't. I don't know. Need hot water here. Oh, he's got all these things too, eh? Need all these fittings.
Oh, really? Oh,
He's got
yeah.
brass fittings in here too.
Yeah, we better do a big count of our brass fittings.
Yeah, that we gotta.
Not for the faint of heart.
Guess not.
Doing the toilet now?
Well, I hope the system works because this little tool they got for measuring it doesn't seem to be. There's your toilet. On and off.
We're doing our water test today. Hopefully nothing leaks.
Can't quite see it, but I'll let it start up on the other side there. It's getting a nice slow little trickle coming out of there, so it's going to take quite a while to get that thing full.
We have a little bit of a leak in one of our seals here. Just gonna go get a tool to fix that. Tighten that up a bit. Under here, I hear water gurgling, so that's good. Our toilet and our sink and laundry room and stuff is over there. under the kitchen sink. We have all the clamps on and the seals. Hopefully if it drips, that's the only place it's gonna drip. We got the pipes going behind the cabinets. All the way over to here. And the toilet. And the shower.
Hey?
No, nothing over here yet, it's all over here. Oh, you can hear the water trickling down. And then cap over here. Got just old styrofoam coolers to collect any drips that might happen. Oh. Hopefully everything works.
Hi.
Hi. See, it looks like we were never here. Except for the beach.
Except the beach.
Yeah, well, it's beach sand. Feels like walking on the beach.
Oh.
All done?
Yeah, that part. That little tiny project.
Another piece of the puzzle completed?
Yeah. We just repowered this boat from a 2-stroke Mariner to a brand new Yamaha 60 horse-stroke. Well, 2018. I don't know if you can hear it. It is running.
Purring is what it's doing.
There's a P, there you go. These things are amazing. I heard of a big, my other boat I had a 115 Yamaha. I've had it for 15 years. Not an ounce of stitch of problems. Just put gas in it and change the oil, maintenance, and that was it. So I got this boat, it came with a 2-stroke, and I ran it for a while, but man, does it eat the gas. And it's noisy, smelly. Had a few problems with it the first few times it went out, wiring problems, and was running on one cylinder. It was a 3-cylinder 2-stroke, 60 horse too. And yeah, I bit the bullet. I plan to have this boat for, well, probably forever, I guess.
A few years anyway.
A few years, yeah. So, bit the bullet, put this thing on, and this is our maiden voyage, and I don't regret it. We're gonna give her some gas here.
Let's do it. So quiet.
Yet, almost. Another 5 minutes or so.
Okay. You gotta do it for 1 hour.
Yeah. Well, we come a long ways. We come basically from that. How's your windsock work anyways?
I don't know. We'll find out, I guess.
No.
I played with it a little bit at home, but it wasn't very windy. So.
It is now.
Where are we headed?
We're just gonna go into the bay here and go by. Try to get out of the wind, but I don't think we're gonna be able to. Stop here. That's nice. Really like it. So well.
What are we doing now? Is that on plane?
Yeah, it's on plane. We're just going about 20 miles an hour. We're gonna go for a little bit and then I'm just gonna slow down and idle for a while and we're gonna go through some ranges. Then we're gonna go in because I'm gonna read the book again and make sure the procedure I was supposed to be on.
So quiet.
You're dusty.
I know, well, lived in a construction site, so. So we put in our 2 hours now?
No,
Or not quite?
just an hour and a half.
Hour and a half.
So we got another half hour of the first 2 hours.
And that's just varying speeds and.
Well, I on plane, so I was on plane for half an hour there, so I'll have to see what the rest of it is. But and after that, it's just you just can't go to wide open throttle for the first 10 hours. So for the next 8, I guess.